Okay, so in this question, we are not going to use the cardinality rule showing the intersecting symbols and so on, but instead we're going to approach it the algebraic way. So this is what the question looked like. It will tell you that in the universal set there are 30 students. In a class, 20 students have Android phones, 17 have iPhones, 7 have both phones, and then you're asked to find which set, with how many students have Android only and how many students have iPhone only. Now, first thing we do is to put in the numbers that we have. So, universal set would be 30 students. Android phones, notice where I'm putting the 20, right up here. And iPhones, I'm putting the 17 up here. And both will go right here. Why did I put the 17 and the 20 up the top and not in here? Now, if you had watched my previous videos showing the shading, you would know that 20 Android phones, the question did not say Android phones only. The only part is this part we're trying to find, the A only. This would be the A only section. That's the part we're trying to find. Android phones would be everything inside here, and this would include the 7. So there are 7 students who have both Android and iPhones. But we're not trying to find Android, the number of students who have Android phones. We're trying to find the number of students who have the Android phones only. So how do we do that? All right, let's show you how to do that. And it's like common sense, really. So if the entire circle, which is the Android, is 20 and part of it is 7, then we're going to say 20 minus 7 to find out what's the balance. Why are we doing that? Let's look at this for a moment. Let's say we have a complete pie. And let's say we call the pie P. If I should cut out this part of the pie, let's say I cut it out. And when I say I cut it out, it means I remove it. So if I remove it, the pie will now look like this. Now, what would we call this pie? We'll call this pie P minus X, the portion that is here. So let's say this is the X portion. What remains would be P minus X. So that's really the concept of why I'm subtracting the 7. Because if we should cover the 7 part, let's use this. If we should use this and cut out the 7 part, then what remains would be the 20 part minus the 7. So it's the same concept. So 20 minus 7 is 13, and 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So therefore, Android only would be equal to 13, and iPhone only would be equal to 10. Now, we can check to see if the calculation is correct, if it will come up to the universal set. So if we say 13 plus 10 plus 7, let's do the calculation. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 30 students. So it is correct.